What are you planting here?
Ah, sister, it is those flower seeds. Here, let me wash those bamboo shoots for you. Didn't see, what did I do myself?
I'll get some water, you can wash it, cut it later.
Call me over there as a frog. Originally I just had some frog soup stewed with oil.
Add oil.
They took it to wash. Look here, at least this one is already tender, look.
This one has grown to the point of being fully mature. Don't let the boss's family.
It's not that, he is biased, or he has intentions toward him. Then today grab yourself. Others are of one heart, let him give a little more.
Yes, you should give them a bit more, it's good.
Ah, isn't it still better to give a bit more?
That's fine.
Put it in the pot with hot water. Take your ginger slices. Listen to my older sister. Don't know if it's delicious or not. Hum. Pouring oil into the hot pan. Frying the duck and tianma pieces in oil. It's fried to a golden yellow now. Adding water to the pot. Pouring in the tianma. Add some red dates. Cover and simmer it. This big bowl 2 or 3 dishes eaten. That is called eating your 2 or 3 dishes. Ginger and garlic. A bit of millet chili, a bit of scallion, a bit of cilantro. A bit of chicken essence. A bit of oyster sauce. A bit of soy sauce. A bit of salt. A little bit of that chili oil. Indeed it is known that you are not coming to the cow anymore. Wow. Noodles, come eat quickly, the meal is made.
Okay, coming right away. Today's fresh tiamat stew duck, okay.
Ah, calling you to mind your own business. You that hard a little bit more. I have it, I have a lot of sun today, waiting for your frogs, waiting for you to come and be more mischievous.
You guys always think of me. Here, Auntie, you also need to eat more.
How fresh is this? Come and have some more tianma. Young people, eat more, yeah. This soup is so fragrant and delicious. You always work hard and worry so much.
Must be big and fat, because you are busy with these delicious things you are too lazy to see me. You should also eat more.
Be careful. We have eaten a lot.
Today this black bone chicken stewed with Gastrodia Elata is so flavorful.
Drink more. Drink more, okay, drink more, okay. This tianma is also delicious to eat.
You all have really worked hard, you must eat more. If I come back, I'll eat the new home goods.
We have it here, you are quite busy there, so busy.
Anyway, I have to work, I will come back. I will cook for you all to eat.